Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be unwrapping or unboxing this Shinchan toy that I've ordered from Meesho. So let's get directly into it.
So let's unwrap it. So it was really difficult to unpack. I'm not sure if it was that. Oh my god. So I don't know if it was really that required to do this, but sure. Let's open this as well. Okay, so now we have done it. I think this looks pretty cute, and if you are looking to gift someone this or any whatever, there are 3 Shinchans, 1 Himawari, like total of 5 Shinchans, and 1 Himawari as well. So if you are a fan, so let's do a proper shoot. So let's get into it. Now let's take a closer look to this. So this is a baby Shinchan. Like I mean, all of them is a Shinchan only, baby Shinchan only. But yeah, this is wearing some cat costume. Now this is wearing some bird costume as it has a beak. This is Himawari, Shinchan's sister. This is only one piece, and this is slightly unstable as well. Now this is Shinchan in a butterfly, and this also looks very cute. And this is Shinchan in a cow dress. So this is basically our costumes for Shinchan. And this is the final one, which is the pink one in a dinosaur costume. So I think to me this one looks very cute. These both are actually very cute, and this is also cute. I think all of them are cute only, there's no judgment. But yeah, so all of them are really good, and it's of good quality also. So yeah.
So as you can see, this does look very cute, and for the price they were, I bought it for like 470 rupees from Meesho, and these are really cute. And the good thing is, usually what happens is this 2.5 centimeters are very unstable when you put it on a table as a showpiece, or you want to give them or whatever. So they are very unstable, but these are actually very stable. Like when you put it on your hand, it's actually doing justice and it's not falling off. So these are all the figures, but I think this Himawari is too small, so it does fall, but it's not an issue. Like 1 out of 6 is slightly not very stable, but yeah, rest of the pieces are very sick. So I think this is something that I like, and this is the material that I was expecting. This is not some cheap plastic. It feels like a good material, not that something will break or something. So yeah, it does look cute, and I hope if you want to buy, I'll put the link in the description. So I hope you like the video. If not, give a like for Shinchan. So that's all I wanted to show in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like the video if you like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.